Hi everyone, I'm going to show you the parts of our pelvic girdle, which consist of our sacrum right here and our os coxae, which is our hip. And I'm going to tell you the parts of our os coxae first. What we're looking at, this is actually our right os coxae, and there are two views. We have the medial view right here and the back, which is the lateral view. And we are going to start off with our medial view, and I'm going to tell you the parts of the medial view of our os coxae. So this whole space right here is what we call our the iliac fossa or fossa. I say fossa for spelling wise, so I won't get confused. And then we have our auricular surface right here, which articulates with our sacrum, auricular surface on the side over here. And then we are looking at our posterior and superior iliac spine. This is our posterior superior iliac spine. And down here we have our posterior inferior iliac spine. And then we are looking at our greater sciatic notch. And this pointed thing right here is our ischial spine. And then going down to the lesser sciatic notch. And this whole thing is our ischial. This thing right here is what we call our pubic tubercle with a symphysis pubis underneath right here. And then this line right here is what we call iliopectineal / arcuate line. You can say iliopectineal or just simply say arcuate line. And then we are looking over here, down here, this is our anterior inferior iliac spine, anterior superior iliac spine. So that is the medial view of our os coxae. Now let us go look at the lateral view of our os coxae. So we are going to start from above here. This will be our anterior superior iliac spine, anterior inferior iliac spine, going down to the pubic tubercle. And then this round thing right here is what we call the obturator foramen. Obturator foramen. And then going down here, this is our ischial tuberosity. And sorry, I'm unable to take this thing out. But if you look inside, there are two parts. Down here is the acetabular fossa or fossa. And above here is what we call the acetabulum. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but that's the way I pronounce it, so I won't get confused spelling wise. Acetabulum is what articulates with the head of our humerus, which is our arms. Alright, going down here, again we are looking at our lesser sciatic notch, and this is our ischial spine, greater sciatic notch, and then we have our right here our iliac, crest of the iliac up here. Okay, so that is our os coxae. Jill, what is this? What part of the body is this?
I don't know.
Remember you told me the other day, what is this?
Hips.
This is our hips?
Yeah.
Good job, baby.
Well, what happened to that?
Okay, well, mommy's studying. Go out first. Okay, so now we are looking at our sacrum. Okay, now we can start off with the anterior part, anterior view. Okay, above here, this is what we call the body. On the side here, this is what we call ala or ALA. It's ala. Okay, and looking down here, this holes right here, since this is the anterior view, since this is the anterior view, we have the anterior sacral foramina, Right here is our transverse ridges. And then on the side, we have the lateral mass. And this is the coccyx right here. Okay, so that is the interior part of our sacrum. Now let us go to the posterior part of our sacrum. So again, this is the body. And then we have this thing right here, which is called the superior articular facet. And then the superior articular process. And then we have our sacral canal, our median sacral crest. Draw, quiet. And then we have our posterior. Now, because we are looking at the posterior view, so this is our posterior sacral foramina right here. And then at the very bottom, if you're able to see, we have our sacral cornu, and then this is the coccyx again. So these are the parts of our pelvic girdle.